I like grasslands and the mountains and the prairies and the badlands and the canyons and the caverns and the desert sands and the birds and the bees and the bushes and the trees, snow and the wind and the rain and the sleet. Oh, underneath my feet, underneath my feet. I like the sidewalks and the streets and the lights from the pawn shops and the windows and the doors when they ain't locked, with my woman inside, dying to see me, hold me, please me, love me, leave me, oh, down on my knees. I like the windmills and the trains and the truckers from the old fields and the bugs when they splatter on my windshield and the way the sun feels. Oh, feels so real. Oh, in the glory and the grace, in the glory and the grace. I like the pool halls and the ramblers and the gamblers around the 8-ball. Come morning, maybe looking at a stone wall with the aches and the pains and the elbows and knees, and a cigarette tree is what we need. Oh, cigarette tree.